Are you looking for the best walking pads? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best walking pads on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeerRun Walking Pad 2025. If your social feeds are overflowing with DeerRun underdesk walking pads, you're not alone. This TikTok famous gadget is everywhere, and for good reason. It's a simple, space-saving treadmill that you can control with a remote or an app. The app's got your back, letting you dial up the speed without breaking a sweat, or your focus. And topping out at just over 3 miles per hour, it's more of a gentle stroll than a full-on sprint. The deck's a cozy, if kinda tight, 35 by 16 inches, which means it'll tuck neatly under your desk. It's easy to use, and that glorious cushion feel is pure bliss for your feet while you're getting those steps in. Key specs. Track length 35.5 inches. Weight limit 300 pounds. Max speed 3.5 miles per hour. Number 2. Walking Pad R2 Treadmill Running and Walking Folding Treadmill. The Walking Pad R2 has a cool double fold design that makes it compact and easy to store in tight spaces. It folds into a slim, suitcase-like shape that rolls easily on built-in wheels, perfect for those with limited room or who need a treadmill that can be stowed away when not in use. It unfolds and folds back up like a dream, making setup and storage seamless. Also, the Walking Pad offers integration with both iOS and Android devices through the KS Fit app. This app connectivity allows users to track their walking data, plan workouts, and even sync with an Apple Watch for heart rate monitoring. This combination of convenient foldability and smart device integration makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact, tech-friendly walking pad. Key specs. Track length 47 inches. Weight limit 240 pounds. Max speed 7 miles per hour. Number 3. GoPlus Walking Pad. The GoPlus is a real multi-use product. While most walking pads ditch side rails to squeeze under your desk is your new best friend for support. The GoPlus offers optional, foldable side rails. So, whether you're using it as a stealthy underdesk workout or need a little extra stability, this treadmill has your back and your balance. A tiny heads up, though, assembling this bad boy turned into a full-blown editorial brainstorming session, thanks to some challenging instructions. But once we cracked the code and got it together, our doubts about its sturdiness left. This deck feels solid at most speeds, though it might get a little wiggly if you try to unleash your inner Usain Bolt. Seriously, don't go full sprint on a walking pad unless you enjoy the sensation of your feet trying to make a break for it off the back. Key specs. Track length 39.3 inches. Weight capacity 265 pounds. Max speed 2.5 miles per hour with handles down, 7.5 miles per hour with handles raised. Number 4. Sperax Walking Vibration Pad. This is one of the coolest new toys I got to try this year. It hits 2 major trends, walking pads and vibration pads. And honestly, it's so much fun. I go back and forth between walking and using the vibration pad. And fair warning, if you're a woman who has given birth, do not sneeze when you're on the vibration pad. You'll understand why. It switches back and forth easily, and it works well in both formats. The vibration is absolutely no joke, you feel it from your hair follicles to your toes. The walking pad is smooth, adjusts quickly and easily, and you can even program your walks through the app on your phone. Key specs. Track length 38 inches. Weight limit 350 pounds. Max speed 3.5 miles per hour. Number 5. Urevo Strol 2.0. The Urevo Strol 2.0 walking pad offers a thoughtful feature that boosts convenience and entertainment during workouts, the tablet holder on the handlebars. This makes it easy to mount a tablet securely in upright mode, allowing users to enjoy workout videos, apps, or streaming services without distraction. Paired with the Urevo Fitness app, which integrates easily with both iOS and Android devices, it provides comprehensive control over speed and incline directly from the phone or tablet, enhancing workout customization. The app also offers engaging walking and running challenges and workout tracking, making fitness sessions more motivating. The combination of the sturdy tablet holder and smart app integration creates a user-friendly experience that blends exercise with productivity or entertainment effortlessly in any space. Key specs: track length 40.2 inches. Weight limit 265 pounds. Max speed 6.2 miles per hour.